Sagittarius A. Sagittarius A is the supermassive black hole sitting at the center of our own Milky Way galaxy, the closest supermassive black hole to Earth, and in many ways the most personally significant one in the universe because it is the gravitational anchor around which our entire galaxy slowly rotates. It sits about 26,000 light-years from Earth and contains a mass of roughly 4 million times that of our Sun, compressed into a region smaller than our solar system. For decades, it was detected only through its gravitational influence on nearby stars, which orbit it at speeds of thousands of kilometers per second in paths that trace perfect curves around a single invisible point. One star, called S2, completes a full orbit around the black hole every 16 years, moving so fast that relativistic effects on its light are directly measurable from Earth. Then, in May 2022, the Events Horizon Telescope collaboration released the first direct image of it, a glowing ring of superheated gas surrounding a dark central shadow, confirming what scientists had long suspected but never directly seen. Getting that image was extraordinarily difficult because Sagittarius A flickers and changes brightness on timescales of minutes, unlike the far more stable M87A, making it like trying to photograph a child who cannot stop moving. In 2025, new research revealed that Sagittarius A spins at nearly the maximum speed theoretically possible, a discovery that changes models of how the Milky Way itself formed and evolved over billions of years. It is not just a black hole, it is the engine at the heart of our home. M87A. M87A is the black hole that gave humanity its first ever direct image of one of these objects, a single glowing orange ring surrounding a dark shadow, released on April 10, 2019, in what became one of the most iconic scientific images of the 21st century. It sits at the center of the giant elliptical galaxy Messier 87. About 53 million light-years away, and contains a staggering 6.5 billion solar masses, over 1,000 times more massive than Sagittarius A. What makes M87A even more dramatic is its jet, a stream of plasma and particles being fired from the poles of the black hole at nearly the speed of light, stretching over 5,000 light-years into space, and visible across multiple wavelengths of light. The Event Horizon Telescope has continued refining its image of M87A, and in 2025 released new polarization maps showing the magnetic field structure around the event horizon in greater detail than ever before, revealing exactly how that enormous jet is being launched and accelerated. M87A is the black hole that made an abstract concept real. TON 618. TON 618 is the most massive known black hole in the observable universe, a quasar located about 10.4 billion light-years away, whose central black hole contains an almost incomprehensible 66 billion solar masses. To put that in context, if Sagittarius A is a marble, TON 618 is a building. Its event horizon, the point of no return beyond which nothing escapes, is so large that the entire solar system, including all the planets and the Oort cloud, could fit inside with room to spare. It is classified as a hyperluminous quasar, meaning the material falling into it releases so much energy that it outshines its entire host galaxy by a factor of thousands. We see TON 618 as it was over 10 billion years ago because of how long its light took to reach us. It formed when the universe was less than 4 billion years old, raising profound questions about how something that massive could have grown so large so quickly. Cygnus X1. Cygnus X1 is one of the most historically important black holes ever discovered, the first black hole ever confirmed to exist, identified in 1971 through its X-ray emissions, and the subject of a famous bet between physicists Stephen Hawking and Kip Thorne. Hawking bet that Cygnus X1 was not a black hole. He lost. It sits about 7,200 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus and is a stellar mass black hole, much smaller than supermassive black holes, containing only about 21 solar masses, locked in a binary orbit with a blue supergiant star called HDE 226 8686, whose material it constantly strips and consumes. As the stolen gas spirals inward, it heats to millions of degrees and releases powerful X-ray bursts that were detected by early space telescopes long before anyone knew what was causing them. Cygnus X1 is the black hole that turns a theoretical concept into a confirmed physical reality. GW150914. GW150914 is not a single black hole, but the collision of two, and its detection on September 14, 2015 by the LIGO Gravitational Wave Observatory was one of the most significant scientific events of the 21st century. Two black holes of roughly 29 and 36 solar masses spiraled into each other over billions of years, drawing closer with every orbit until they merged in a fraction of a second, releasing more energy in that instant than all the stars in the observable universe combined emit in the same time period, but releasing it entirely as gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time itself. Those ripples traveled across the universe for 1.3 billion years before causing a mirror in a detector in Louisiana to move by less than 1,000th the diameter of a proton. That impossibly small movement confirmed Einstein's last unproven prediction from his 1915 general theory of relativity, a prediction he made a century before the technology to test it existed. Since that first detection, LIGO and its partner observatories have recorded dozens of black hole mergers, each one a new data point about how black holes grow and how gravity behaves in the most extreme conditions in the universe. In 2025, an even larger collision was confirmed. Two black holes, each over 100 solar masses, merging into a single black hole of about 225 solar masses, a result that current physics cannot fully explain, because stars are not supposed to be able to collapse into black holes of that size through normal processes. The universe merged two things that should not have existed and produced something even larger that nobody can account for. NGC 1277. NGC 1277 hosts one of the largest black holes ever found relative to its host galaxy, a monster containing roughly 17 billion solar masses, sitting inside a galaxy only a fraction of the size of the Milky Way. In most galaxies, the central black hole contains about 0.1% of the galaxy's total mass. In NGC 1277, the black hole accounts for an extraordinary 14%, so dominant that it fundamentally shapes everything about the galaxy surrounding it. It sits about 220 million light-years away in the Perseus cluster, and appears to have stopped growing billions of years ago, frozen in time while everything around it changed. Scientists believe studying NGC 1277 could reveal how the relationship between black holes and their host galaxies establishes itself in the first place, a question that sits at the heart of understanding how galaxies form at all. The oldest known black hole. In 2025, astronomers confirmed the detection of the oldest known black hole ever found, a supermassive black hole with a mass of 38 million suns, observed as it existed just 400 million years after the Big Bang, when the universe was less than 3% of its current age. It was detected using the James Webb Telescope and immediately posed a fundamental problem. It is far too massive to have formed through any understood process in the time available. Standard models of black hole growth require billions of years of steady accretion, gradually consuming surrounding gas and material to produce something this large. Yet this one existed fully formed when the universe was barely an infant, with almost no time to build anything. One leading theory suggests these early black holes didn't grow gradually, but formed directly from the collapse of enormous primordial gas clouds, bypassing the star formation stage entirely and jumping straight to black hole in a single catastrophic event. Another theory suggests they grew by consuming material at rates far beyond what current physics considers sustainable, essentially eating faster than the rules allow. Neither theory is fully satisfying, and neither is fully proven. The oldest black hole is not just a record, it is a direct challenge to everything we think we know about how the universe began assembling its largest and most violent structures, and James Webb is finding more of them every year, each one pushing the problem further back in time. J1007 plus 3540. J1007 plus 3540 is a black hole that woke up. In April 2026, astronomers captured radio images of a supermassive black hole in a distant galaxy that had been completely dormant and silent for nearly 100 million years, suddenly roaring back to life, blasting fresh jets of plasma outward from its poles, and lighting up the surrounding galaxy after 100 million-year sleep. Scientists described it as a cosmic volcano erupting after geological silence. What triggered the reawakening is not fully understood. Possibly a fresh supply of gas falling into the black hole after a long drought. Possibly a merger with another galaxy, bringing new material within its gravitational reach. J1007 plus 3540 matters because it shows that black holes are not permanent fixtures in one state. They can sleep for timescales that dwarf the entire history of human civilization, and then suddenly switch back on, reshaping the galaxy around them in the process.